had a crazy windstorm, like crazy, really crazy. There, a lot of our garbage and just a bunch of things have flown all over the property. So we are going to go clean it up.
Absolutely flawless in every way. That's the day I'm having right now. I pinch my arm to believe. I wish I could stay right here and never leave.
Oh, that was so awesome.
Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. Before the night descends.
No, pick it up and put it away. Go put it on the porch. Missy, get that piece of cardboard in there.
Where?
I thought I had searched both without
That is it.
and within.
Oh, look!
Yeah.
A little flower! You found a
I was
flower?
looking to get wet, standing in the
They're hyacinths.
These are the roots from the other one.
You offered your
Hey, pick it up, don't smash it.
everything changed.
Is it on? Oh.
Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end. Wait up, sundown,
I have a question. You're gonna die.
before you let the night descend. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. Please make this moment last. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. No reason to be fast.
Back to where we started. We went around the entire property and picked up anything that we saw that was garbage and put it in this wheelbarrow. There wasn't as much as I thought there would be, but there was a lot of smaller things. And we got everything, so I'm proud of what we got.
We are so excited. One, we're eating goldfish crackers. Well, some of us are. Are you just eating right out of the bag? Like your face is right in the bag?
Me?
Sam. And Emma's got some goldfish crackers. What's Missy got? She's gluten intolerant, so she's got some of these really yummy farmhouse cheddars. And Sarah's just cranky as can be. I'm on the smell diet. I get to enjoy the aromas. We are here to snuggle a baby. What is more precious than a new baby? I don't think anything. So my nephew had
Except
their
for
very
baby
first baby.
bunnies.
No, baby children are better than baby bunnies. Unless you're an 8-year-old boy. But they're getting back from a doctor's appointment, and we are really excited to snuggle baby Luke.
Let's look what's up here.
Oh my gosh, look at this baby. Oh, I love it. If I had a uterus, it would be aching right now.
Oh my gosh.
But I don't, so I get to just, oh, he is the first great grandbaby in the family. Oh my gosh, and his name is Luke. Little Luke. Oh my gosh, he's precious. He was 8 pounds, 7 ounces. Oh, precious boy. He was born last Thursday. So how old is he? Wednesday. You were wrong.
Sorry.
And so he's what? How old? What's today? 6 days. 6 days. 6 days old. Oh, how fun. How fun. I think these guys are waiting for a turn.
Yes.
Did you sanitize? Okay, sanitize your hands. Messy hair, don't care. Yes. I love the sanitizing station. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome. So fun. It's funny. I think you parent every kid different from your first to your last. So different. But I'm glad I get to enjoy littles and give them back. Oh, Missy. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Luke, what do you think? Huh? Oh, they grow up too fast. They turn into this. My baby's holding a baby. We got our dose of baby, we've got our goldfish crackers, and we have some bored little kids. But all in all, that was such a fun experience, wasn't it?
It was
So fun.
so cute.
He's a very sweet baby. Very sweet baby. Very calm, very sweet baby. So that's really fun. We're glad that they let us come. Let's go home and see if our house has been blown away yet. Wind started picking back up today. And not as bad as yesterday, but hopefully everything's still there. And we'll see if Sophie survived our first leaving her alone.
When we went back in.
She was howling.
And I was at the top of the stairs like
like, what the heck? So,
like, get her out of here.
we'll see if she survived us being gone. Our delivery! I have a jar dealer. I have a lady that brings me the jars from the chocolate factory. So really awesome. Emma's gonna go check on Sophie.
Oh, she's already howling. Cute balls are a collar. Did she pee? I smell.
I don't know.
Grab onto her collar. Grab onto her collar! Go hook her up. Oh!
She's like a goat.
We'll take her outside. Come on, let's go outside. Come on, Sophie. No! Hey! Missy, come help me! Get her hooked up.
Where's the thing? I don't know. Oh, here is it. You're excited. Go to the bathroom, Sophie.
Okay. Kenai, come on.
So it looks like it is leftovers dinner tonight. Just kind of whatever we have in the fridge. Just doing the leftover thing. Sometimes you gotta do it, right? You know, truth be known, I'm struggling just a little bit with my Hashimoto's. If you're a regular follower, you'll know that I reluctantly went on an antibiotic for a sinus infection, and it's hitting me. So, I mean, I've been off the antibiotic for a little while, but dealing with some anxieties, dealing with a little bit of depression, just kind of feeling off, feeling kind of tired. So, pushing through, doing the best we can, trying to get everything done that we need to get done. But I'm excited. We have leftovers. We'd like to thank you for coming along today with us on this crazy adventure that we like to call homesteading. Give us that thumbs up. Sure helps the channel. And hopefully we'll see you tomorrow.
Absolutely flawless.